Hello everyone. Today we are going to have some fun with Halloween 3D flashcards. I am going to show you something and you have to guess the correct flashcard for it. Can you guess what is this one?
Lantern.
Amazing. Can you guess what is this one?
Zombie.
Okay. Don't get frightened. Can you guess what is this?
Witch's hat.
Amazing. And what is this one?
Pumpkin.
Yes. Spooky, isn't it? Can you guess what is this?
Cauldron.
Amazing. Can you guess what is this?
Eyeball.
And what is this one?
Crow.
And next one?
Werewolf.
What is this one?
Goose.
Yes, this is a ghost. And what is this?
Full moon.
Yes. And what is this one?
Coffin.
Are you getting spooky vibes? And what is this one?
Bat.
Now next one is this.
Vampire.
Oh my god, I'm already scared. Now what is next one?
Skeleton.
Oh my god, there is a skeleton. And next one?
Monster.
And what is this one?
Witch.
And what is this one?
Web.
And what is this last one?
Spider.
Oh my god, we have covered all the Halloween 3D flashcards today. Isn't that spooky? Hope you enjoyed Halloween party. Now you know all the Halloween flashcards. See you tomorrow for more fun learning, friends.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.